New solar-powered Zephyr spy drone flies non-stop for a month, breaks its own record. Airbus's Zephyr solar-powered drone flew for 25 days straight during a test flight over Yuma, Arizona. The flight represented a record for aircraft endurance, breaking the previous 14-day record also set by a Zephyr back in 2015. Zephyr could loiter over a low-intensity battlefield far longer than current drones can do. The propeller-driven drone belongs to a class of aircraft known as high-altitude pseudo-satellites. It can deliver numerous payload capabilities. Designed for voice, data communications both line of sight and beyond the line of sight high-resolution optical imagery, real-time mapping and surveillance, widespread, persistent internet coverage to remote areas of the globe and active radar.